Hi friends, thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Mohammed Usman. Now let's talk about Mucaine suspension, uses, side effects and price in Pakistan. Mucaine suspension is a combination of both an antacid and a local anesthetic used for gastritis and peptic ulcer disease. The combination of aluminium hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide works actively to neutralize stomach acid, while oxythazine relieves the pain caused by hyperacidic conditions. This makes Mucaine an effective choice for addressing stomach discomfort. The price of Mucaine suspension 100 milliliters in Pakistan ranges between 100 and 120 rupees. The exact price can vary depending on the manufacturer. Mucaine syrup is used to relieve the following conditions. Peptic ulcer treatment. Mucaine syrup relieves the pain and discomfort of peptic ulcers. These ulcers are sores that develop in the stomach lining, upper small intestine or esophagus. By neutralizing stomach acid, the syrup creates an environment conducive to healing and reduces the irritation caused by acid on the ulcer surface. Gastritis management. Gastritis is an inflammation of the stomach lining, often resulting from excessive stomach acid or bacterial infection. Mucaine syrup helps alleviate gastritis symptoms by counteracting the excess acid, soothing and promoting healing. Esophagitis relief. Mucaine syrup acts as a barrier to protect the esophagus from inflammation. It is a barrier to protect the esophagus lining from further damage while neutralizing the irritating stomach acid. Hiatus hernia symptom alleviation. A hiatus hernia leads to acid reflux and discomfort. Mucaine syrup aids in reducing the discomfort by minimizing the acid reflux associated with the hernia and offering a protective lining for the esophagus. Heartburn and acidity control. Due to poor digestion or dietary choices, severe heartburn and acidity can occur. Mucaine syrup quickly neutralizes this excess acid, bringing about prompt relief from burning sensations and discomfort. It also reduces stomach gas. Follow these general instructions while using Mucaine for digestive issues. Follow the prescribed dosage and frequency of use. The suspension is preferably taken 30 minutes before or 2 hours after the meal until otherwise prescribed. Shake the bottle well before use. Use the given dosing spoon to measure the prescribed dose. Take the suspension by mouth. Mucaine syrup offers a multifaceted approach to digestive relief. Aluminium hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide work together to neutralize excess stomach acid, helping to alleviate heartburn. Oxythazine acts as a gentle anesthetic, soothing pain. Additionally, simethicone effectively breaks down gas bubbles, reducing bloating and discomfort. It's best to seek advice from a healthcare professional for ongoing symptoms. The possible side effects of Mucaine include constipation, dry mouth, headache, nausea, loss of appetite, drowsiness, chronic diarrhea. The less common side effects include skin infections, including dermatitis and eczema, inflammation of the tongue, fainting, drowsiness, fainting in the case of overdosage. If these side effects persist, discontinue the use immediately and inform the doctor. No safety profile has been established for using Mucaine during pregnancy and lactation. Animal studies indicate that aluminium hydroxide given at any development stage during pregnancy in rats resulted in developmental defects. Hence, the doctor decides the usage of this medicine in pregnancy and breastfeeding based on the benefits to risks ratio. Take Mucaine 30 minutes before or 2 hours after meals. Stay hydrated while taking the syrup as it can cause constipation. Mucaine suspension relieves stomach gas, acidity and indigestion in children above 6 years of age. The dosage adjustments are required for its use in children. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.